Today we are going to learn how to use Opac. You may be wondering what Opac is. Opac stands for Online Public Access Catalog. It is a database used to search for library books. Today we are going to look at 3 ways to search for books. You can search for books by title, by author, and by subject. Let's practice using Opac. The first thing we do is find Book Search on the desktop. Double-click on Book Search. This brings up the card catalog. As you can see, there are several functions, but today we are going to concentrate on title, author, subject. Let's do an author search first. Let's see if there are any books by Nicholas Sparks. In the search box, type his last name, comma, and his first name, and then click on the author button. This shows that there are 12 books by Nicholas Sparks, and all we do is click on the highlighted line and it pulls up the books by Nicholas Sparks. This is an alphabetical listing of all the titles. Then we can look over to the third column and find the call numbers for each of these books. And finally, the fourth column tells us the status, whether the book is checked in or checked out. Now let's try a title search. Go back to your search box and type in the title of the book you are looking for. Let's try Gone with the Wind. And then click on the title button. And you see there is a copy of Gone with the Wind. You go over to the second column and you find the author. And again, go over to the third column and you will find the call number and then the status, whether the book is checked in or checked out. Let's do our subject search. We'll go back to our search box and let's look and see if there are any fiction books about sports. So I'm going to type in sports, and since I'm looking for fiction books dealing with sports, I'm going to do a dash and then I'm going to type fiction. Then I'm going to click on the subject button and we can see that there are 5 sports fiction books available, and we'll just click on the highlighted line and that gives us those 5 titles. We look over to the second column and it gives us the author of each one of those books. Then look over to the third column and you find out the call number, and then fourth column the status, whether they're checked in or checked out. Okay. Today we have looked at how to search for books by author, title, and subject. You saw how easy that was. Now get out there and find some books to read.